Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. In today's video, I will give you an update of a small part of the original garden. This is where we plant all kinds of different stuff, including tomatoes. We get some flowers, strawberries, sunflowers right here. And then look at our strawberries. That one's already been harvested. You can see our garlic right there. Half of that bed has turned yellow. That is ready for harvest. Half of it is new and we're growing them just for the greens. Here I want to show you what we have here. Another harvest of Sakura cherry tomatoes. Look at that. It's fixing to rain, so I'll try to get the red ones. I'm not sure if this variety easily splits or not. I hope it does not split easily, but I just want to make sure to get the red ones before the rain, just in case. Yeah, we get here. Here's another one. We have a bunch of straw flowers. Look at that, very beautiful. I came here early this morning and I was gonna cut some to take to the market. Unfortunately, it was a little bit dark, so I couldn't tell which ones will open because they were all closed early this morning, which I should have harvested them yesterday, but that's okay. We'll be bringing some next weekend to the market for all our friends who want some straw flowers. Moving on, right here we have more cherry tomatoes. Oh, it looks like an animal came and had a tomato snack. That's okay. Let's see what we have left in here. Get some, yeah, we get some red ones. That is kind of like orange. Let's see on this side. So my cherry tomatoes are everywhere. They're not in one line, just like in the front garden, because this garden was designed as a kitchen garden. This was not a market garden. It looks like this needs water. It's a little bit dry. Okay, picking some tomatoes. There's more. Not bad. Oh, we have a problem here. Look at this one. This one has dried really dry now. And this one needs intervention. Look at how dry the leaves are. Totally dry. And this one, the branch here broke from the storm yesterday. Yeah, we had a big storm yesterday and it kind of broke. Oh no, just gonna get that. Yeah, that one's gone. But okay, a little harvest of cherry tomatoes today. There's more, but this is all I want for now. I just need to water them. Oh, I'm gonna show you our blackberries. Look at that. We actually have some ripe blackberries already. Unfortunately, there's a lot of ants in here, same as last year. So, oh, and my enemies, look at that. The June bugs are here. Here, ripe blackberry. Let's see if we can get this. If there are no ants, I'm gonna take that. This actually looks so nice. See? And when it's ripe, it easily comes off. Wait a minute, I thought I felt ant. No, there's no ant. This is really perfect. Look at that. Beautiful blackberry. More. This plant is just loaded with blackberries. Look at that. I need to come back out here because I don't have a container for my blackberries, and I am seeing a lot of blackberries that are ready. Wow. I guess I'll just put them in my tomato container. Okay, let's get some more. As long as there are no ants in them, I'm good with that. Let's see what else. Okay, I see another one in the back. Our first blackberry harvest of the season. Now this one, I'm not sure if this is ready. Probably I'll wait for tomorrow. Yeah, this is ready. It's so tiny though. And I see a bunch of ants. Okay, let's go back in here. Where is that one? Oh, this is the one that's full of ants. See that? Oh, I don't want to touch that. The ants are crawling on my hands now. How about this one? Looks like they're devouring it too. Well, I guess I'm just gonna get this. That one had some resistance, so I guess this is not very much ready yet. We lost one branch here from the storm. Ooh, look at this! There's some big ones underneath. Yeah. And it come with ants too. More blackberries. All right, that was a good one. All right, yeah, we have a lot of reds. Of course, we don't eat them red. The reds are still raw. Oh, look at this one, guys. Isn't that amazing? Okay, trying to look here in the back. Oh, actually there's one right there. Let's see if we can get it from here. Look at our long beans. One of them already reached the top of the trellis. And these are, I think, shishito peppers. And the jalapeños, they've been ready for a while. I really need to get those. Okay, so here with more blackberries. Whoa, there's a big one right here. Look at that. Wow. Now this looks like it's ready, but it's so full of ants. Yeah, I didn't spray this with anything. And so the bugs are just free to get them. Let's see. Ooh, I thought there's one. Okay, here. You see that? There you go. This is really big. Alright, so far this is what we have. Oops. We need to dig down here. Actually, look at that. Now this is not quite ready because they're still red, but this one is ready. Okay, and I'm trying to walk here between the rows. This is where we grow our hot peppers. And the leftover sweet peppers, I just put them in here. Should I get that one? What do you think? I think this is ready. Oh, did you see this ant? She's like crawling on my hand. Okay. Ooh, I see in the next row. Oh, look at this, guys. This is cayenne peppers. Yeah, this is really long. Oh, I didn't know that they already have a bunch of peppers here. I could have taken them to the farmer's market this morning, but that's okay. Ooh, more blackberries. guys. Now this is touching the ground. We need to like hang this somewhere. Yeah, maybe here. Let's put them here. Just to keep them clean. Because right now they're not clean. Right there. I'm gonna find a way to tie them up later on. Okay. Lots of reds again. And then here, where's that? Look at this jalapeno. Oh, it came off. It's ready to come off. I'm just gonna put them in there. That's fine. We only have a few jalapeno today. So I guess I'm just gonna harvest the bigger ones. You know, so the plant can use its energy to grow more flowers. Big enough? No, that's not big enough. Oh, there's one here. It's kind of hard to see, but this is ready. Yeah, it's already splitting. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna leave the cayenne peppers in there for now. There are only 4 plants of cayenne peppers. And here, I don't really know what happened to this jalapeno. This one is ready. Actually, there's more in this side. And this is just the beginning. I think we have around 20. Oh, what's this? Looks like a sunburn. Yeah, usually the first fruit, they don't have much. And then after that, when the plant is a lot bigger, this will be loaded. Yeah, they're still a little bit smaller now. They've been in the ground for what, 3 maybe 4 weeks. So yeah, not that long. But these were seeded mid-February. Alright guys, more bachelor's buttons in here, more of our long beans, and the wilted tomato plant that I need to water. Alright, so far this is what I got. A few tomatoes, blackberries, jalapeno peppers, and a stink bug. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.